So it's about that time again, folks. 11:30 Eastern Time. 11:30 Eastern Time here. Welcome back. Welcome back. SchoolOfTrade.com. Sideways Markets. My name is Joseph. You know what time it is. Time for a little recap. Now, Fridays are always great because Fridays we had a chance at the end of the session to open the floor for questions. We're not doing members training on Friday afternoons. So we're going to wrap up our day here, wrap the week up with a nice, easy little lesson here. Now, before we talk about the trades we took today, and we're going to go over some automated systems here as well, I want to remind everybody out there that really the key to our success is the fact that we use a very simple trading plan. So before we go talking about all the money we made today, and I know we do make it look pretty darn easy sometimes, before we go talking about all that stuff, just please remember, guys, speak to somebody you trust regarding risk capital. There's risk out there in these markets, and the risk out there in these markets these days, it's dangerous. If you're not prepared, bottom line is you got to be prepared for the risk out there. And our day trading strategies, our trading plans will help you be prepared for those. So before we start today, guys, take a second. Just remember out there, I'm going to provide you as a member with all the tools, all the training, all the techniques you need here. And again, welcome aboard. Now, had a great day today. Made over 125 ticks on a non-day. Really, it was a Friday, an OPEX Friday. We got rumors flying around from Europe. We got the Facebook IPO everybody's distracted with today. It's been one of those days where we came in this morning and we really didn't know what to expect. We didn't quite know how far this day would go. Would it be a couple minutes of good price action and then die off, or would there be enough opportunity every day, right, during the day to make some money today? So that was the question. The question was, would we be able to get any real opportunities today with an OPEX Friday? And would we be able to get any consistent opportunities? That's the difficult part. And I think we answered that question pretty easily. And by the way here, if you're short on that crude from 30s, boy, it stinks to be a crude trader right now if you're short. We called the short here at 30s about 20 minutes ago. And remember the target at 80? So here's your short on crude right now. It was a short below 30, the target at 80. Did you get 80 yet? Nope, 84. So you can see we've nailed this crude all day long. We sold the highs again. Great day. Over 125 ticks of profit. And really the whole key today is we saw this bear channel on crude oil. Bear channel on crude, what do? We sell the highs. We sold the highs twice. We gave our members exact entries, stops, and targets. Just a great day today. Very easy, very similar to yesterday. Yesterday on crude oil, we had a wedge. We bought the lows and sold the highs. Today, same thing. Same thing. And if you're wondering, so do we do the same thing every day? Yeah, absolutely. If it lets me. I will keep buying those lows and I will keep selling those highs every day according to my trading strategy. I keep it simple. I had a client last night while I was helping my client set up his computer. We do that for our clients via our concierge service. I set up the client computer and he asked me, he said, Joe, is it really that simple? Just buy the lows and sell the highs? And I told him, I said, absolutely it is. It is really that simple. We just overcomplicate this because we're human beings. And most day traders I know are very hardworking, intelligent people, and they overcomplicate it. So we called that move pretty well on crude. But you know what, though? What if we don't want to be discretionary trading? How about an auto trader? Today's a Friday, so we'll open up the auto trader. Let's take a look quickly here at the auto trader. I want to go over a couple basics here of this automated system. Now, here are a couple different basic things you want to be aware of when it comes to this auto trader. The auto trader can be used both fully automated and semi-automated. So my auto trader can be used both full and semi-automated. And what semi-automated is perfect for anybody who's having a hard time getting into the trades, but may know exactly where the profit target would go. So it can be fully automated where all you do is set it up and let it run, and literally the goal is not to touch it, or a semi-automated where it will take the trade for you, but then you, of course, need to manage that trade. So everyone's different. I've had members that love the that absolutely love the discretionary exit. I have members that like to just let it run. So it's completely up to you how you use it. And what we've done is we've added a bunch of these little bells and whistles to it. For example, if you follow me up top here, you'll notice up top here that we have all of these close buttons up top. So what I've done is I've gone in and I've used the automated strategy as a semi-automated, so I can go long only or short only. I can close only one of the targets or all the targets. So if I have 3 targets and a trailing stop, which I have in this auto trader, my auto trader can trail stops. It knows when not to trade. It knows when you've hit your max loss tolerance that day. Okay, it's a very intelligent system. And I have members right now that want to use this auto trader a little bit more aggressively. For example, if you're at the low of day, make it long only. If I'm